To your first question on Baltimore, one of the things I find frustration is minority banks, community banks are not able to lend because of over-regulation. It's harder for them than J.P. Morgan or Goldman Sachs just to lend money, customized mortgages. And the Jobs Act, which was meant for minorities and veterans, is not going to them, but to the guys in Silicon Valley that have more than enough cash. Is there something that the, as a, somebody who...
What's your real question?
The question is, how can you turn this around that the capital goes to these people who want to create jobs and growth in our cities?
Well, I think that's going to be an individual bank's decision to make loans, because we shouldn't be in that business. We should create the conditions and try to give some relief. Say, I'm talking about small, medium-sized regional banks, because they are the ones that loan so much money to the people who are just getting started, as opposed to our huge banking system, bank entities that, they're not into the little stuff.
Are you suggesting there should be particular relief for folks lending in big cities?
Yeah, I mean, our quantitative easing is going into the big banks, which are just using it to buy out easy, no-risk paper, and it's not going into our communities.
Community there, what's happened at times, I know that. And the small and medium-sized banks have really focused on the small businessmen, the people getting started in the inner cities, in the rural areas. We shouldn't forget that, because that is the job, those are the jobs of the future. And we're doing that. That's why we're focusing on this now.
Senator, I know we have to get going. Appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank all of you.